If we were designing a healthcare system from scratch, we could not dream up as cruel and inhumane a system as we have in place. Lose your job and you lose your healthcare. Feeling good because you have health insurance? Not so fast. You failed to tell us about your pre-existing skin condition. Sorry, you have to pay the bill. Have the audacity to get sick prior to applying? We don't want you, so go to your local government office or the emergency room and beg for care. Lucky enough to meet all of our restrictions? Now you get to pay more than you currently budget for food each month. If you have the gall to go to a doctor, you must pay the first $2,500 and then copays. Stay healthy and pay your premiums each month? Pay us another 39% this year or lose your insurance. Tired of the state you live in? If you move, there is no guarantee another health insurance company will cover you. The President and Congress have a gun at our head called private health insurance, forcing us to play Russian roulette with our health. Do we pay for insurance or instead pay for food and housing? Do we go bare and risk getting sick, making it impossible for us to ever get health insurance again? It is immoral how our President and Congress are so keen on saving these immoral characters who have absolutely no interest in protecting your health. Call your senators and representatives right now and let them know how sick and tired you are of their neglect in providing you with accessible, affordable health care. Tell them you want a public option so you're not required to buy private insurance. The life you save may be your own or that of a loved one.